Yeah, man. So a while back I had tried to call this house.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Good. This is Joe. I was calling to see if you wanted to sell the property on Grant Street.
And unfortunately the house had burnt down now, but months ago it was still standing, so I couldn't find the owner. I had talked to the property manager, you know what I'm saying? So we finna see if these folks actually want to sell now. So let's call them on deal machine real quick. Pick up. Wrong number. Let's try the next one. Oh, we gonna double dial these folks. Shit crazy, but this shit burnt down, boy.
The mailbox is full and there is not enough.
What's up, man? So look, man, I want to talk about right now how this is the best time to get into real estate, in the wholesaling real estate, any kind of real estate, right? But we talking about wholesaling, novation, that kind of stuff, right? So right now, the Fed just dropped the interest rate, you know what I mean? Just a little bit, a quarter basis point. But they also saying that they're gonna keep decreasing throughout the year. So they decreased it in September. They're supposed to be decreasing it again in October, and supposed to be decreasing it again in December, and all the way through 2026, right? So what you want to do right now is you want to ramp up your marketing. You understand? You want to go ahead and lock in on these contracts. You also want to buy you some houses too and sit on them, because the price is gonna go up. You understand? So last time the interest rates was this low was, well, I ain't gonna say this low, but the last time they was low as, they about to be, was 2020 and 2021, 2022. July, I think it was June, July 2022, they raised the interest rates, and, it changed the market and it changed the game. Now, during 2020, 2021, 2022, they dropped the interest rates extremely low, and everybody was eating. Hedge funds was buying up everything. Wholesalers was wholesaling the hedge funds. You know what I'm saying? We was doing hella deals with hedge funds. You see what I'm saying? So the time is back. Get excited. Go ahead and ramp up your marketing. Buy those PPL leads, send them SMS marketing, you send out thousands of text messages, you understand? Use AI follow-up to go ahead and capitalize off of this opportunity, you understand? So I hope you're excited, because I'm excited, right? See, the thing about real estate, it's all about, affordability. So when the interest rates are low, people are able to afford a house, you know what I'm saying? Easier, you know what I'm saying? Because the payments are lower. When the interest rates are higher, it makes it not affordable, and buyers, pull out of the market, and sellers, some sellers decide to not want to sell their house because they might be locked in on a good interest rate, right? So the wholesale boom is back, man. So all wholesalers, man, you know what I'm saying? Let's lock up deals. Let's go ahead and crush it. You know what I'm saying? We aiming for 6-figure months, even 7-figure months, man. You see what I'm saying? That's the goal. We want to take this to the next level. You understand? So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, and I'm dropping lots of sauce and lots of gems, right? So recently, we've been having a lot of success again with SMS. I had fell back from SMS one point in time, and now we locked back in with SMS, and it's working tremendously. If you want my SMS system, you know what I mean, just hit me up in the link below. You can book a call with me, and I'll help you get set up. But yeah, the SMS is working amazing. I think y'all should be utilizing SMS if you have not been utilizing it before. SMS is back. You know what I mean? Wholesaling is back. You see what I'm saying? I want to get this house right here, man. You know what I mean? I want to get this house right here, but I gotta get the right phone number, man. I might have to send them some mail or something. You know what I'm saying? Might have to send some mail. I tried to call this house a while back. Property manager answered the phone, and I had no luck. So yeah, man, we entering fourth quarter. You know what I mean? So you wanna ramp up on the marketing, man. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people slow down on fourth quarter, you know, especially November, December, because of the holiday. I say you ramp up while everybody is sleeping and everybody is falling back. I say you ramp it up. You know what I'm saying? Ramp it up, turn the volume up, lock up those deals, man. And make sure you got your dispo dialed in the right way. You know what I'm saying? One thing about dispo, you definitely want to be doing outreach just like, you know, you do outreach with sellers if you're doing that kind of marketing, right? Now you can always do the MLS strategy where you lock them up, put them on the MLS, and you can accept a cash buyer or a conventional buyer, FHA buyer, which is like the novation strategy. But you definitely want to learn these type of strategies, you see what I'm saying? Because the dispo is very important, right? That's where a lot of wholesalers struggle at. So lock in on your dispo, you see what I'm saying? But make sure you're marketing, make sure you're pulling the right list. You know what I'm saying? Utilize Deal Machine, utilize PropStream, utilize Batch Leads, utilize REI Sift, utilize all of these tools, you see what I'm saying, to be able to get the best list. Utilize the county, be able to pull lists from the county, you know what I'm saying, your probates, your code violation, your tax delinquent, you see what I'm saying? All you gotta do is put in the, for certain lists, all you gotta do is type in, what you type in on Google, open records request. Put in the county and put open records request, and then tell them you want a code violation list, right? And they'll send it to you ASAP. Some counties are slower than others, but you know, some counties, you know what I mean, they move pretty quick. You understand? So hop on that ASAP. Do not slow poke, man. You know what I'm saying? We got the biggest opportunity coming right now in wholesale real estate, man. I've been waiting for these times, you know what I'm saying? And it's here. Let's get to it, baby. Let's not slack. It's too much money to be made right now. Low interest rate environment is game time, baby. We gotta scoop up these deals. It's time to eat, baby. Let's get it. Click the link below, book a call with me. I got a lot more gems coming. Lock in, baby. Stay tuned.